In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert classic Google sites to new Google sites. By the end, you'll understand what's still possible, what's changed, and how to move forward smoothly without losing your content or your audience. First, open classic Google sites and go to the site you want to convert. If you still have a legacy bookmark or admin managed access, use that to review the structure and content. This is your opportunity to take inventory, note your page hierarchy, navigation, embedded content like docs, sheets, slides, forms, and YouTube videos, as well as any attachments, images, and custom HTML gadgets you relied on. It helps to capture screenshots of important layouts and copy page titles and descriptions into a document. If there are downloadable files, confirm whether they live in Drive or were uploaded directly. That will guide what you'll re-embed later. Also check what URL the site currently uses, whether it's a classic sites.google.com address or a custom domain, and jot down any critical internal links you'll need to recreate. Now, here's the crucial update. As of January 2026, Google Sites only offers the new editor and has stopped usage of classic sites. That means there's no built-in switch, migration button, or automatic conversion path available anymore. If you were expecting a one-click upgrade workflow, it's no longer supported, so plan to rebuild your site in the new editor. The good news is that new Google Sites is straightforward and faster once you get used to it. Start by creating a new site, then mirror the structure you noted earlier. Recreate your top navigation and sections, and paste your text into new pages. For images and files, upload them to Drive when possible and use the built-in Drive and YouTube embeds to keep everything organized and easy to update later. If you previously used custom HTML gadgets, look for equivalent features in new sites, or consider embedding third-party content with the embed option. Keep an eye on spacing and layout. Sections and columns make it simple to match the look you want. Preview frequently to check mobile responsiveness and adjust fonts or theme settings for consistency. When you're ready to publish, confirm your site's visibility, and if you use a custom domain, connect it so your audience can find the new site at the expected address. Finally, test your critical links, forms, and media. With a careful review of your classic site and a focused rebuild in new sites, you'll end up with a modern, maintainable site that's easier to keep up to date.